Good morning, everyone. It's our day off, and we are heading to Panguitch to get some groceries. See if we get this bus started. It hadn't started in 2 weeks, so see what happens. I had it plugged in for about an hour this morning. It was 37 degrees, so now it's I think close to 60. Should start up. I said that before too, haven't I? Still don't want to start it very well. There it goes. Just took 3 times this morning. Oh, 4 times this morning. She smoothed out. Yeah, 4 times. It was a whole lot faster than what it has been, but still not fast enough. Hopefully, we'll get that taken care of this fall when I get down to Cedar City. And there's the smoke. It's running like a purr, like a kitten. Zen's going to be beside me. And let me go back and make sure everything's locked up. And we will get on our way. Come on, Zen. Are you stuck on the... Oh, Zen's stuck on the Starlink cord. Come on. There you go. Oh, good. Oh, isn't that lovely having a dog? All right, let me see here. Let me lock the refrigerator. I got to stock up. My refrigerators are empty. The Iceco has 3 apples in it. The big fridge has condiments in it. So we are about out of everything. I'm going to stop off and do a couple of things on the way. And then we'll get out of here. All right, everything I think is hooked up, tied down, unplugged, moved, and in gear. Parking brake is off, and off we go. And this time I do not have to open the gate. I think I do have a turbo failing because right now I am pushed to the floor and that's as fast as I can move. Once again, intermittent, not always. 1,500 RPMs and off she goes. And of course, got a car coming. See how long it takes me to get out on the highway. All right, my foot is to the floor. 1,500 RPMs, and that's when it kicks in. So that I think is the indication of turbo failing. No low end power, but off we go. Enjoy the ride. Made it into the town of Hatch. for the community of Hatch. We're going to stop in here and do our laundry and get a coffee. Our usual grocery run stop. And it looks like the coffee shop has got some off-road bikes. They were there last time I was here. They take up my parking space. I park on the side of the road and they take up the whole area. So we'll see if we can get in here. Yeah, we'll have to wait for them to move so we can get in. So we'll go down here and turn around. And here we are having our coffee. Well, the coffee's gone. It was a white chocolate mocha in a little town of Hatch. This is an old gas station converted into a coffee shop laundromat. There's the bus over there, parked out of the way. And then the laundry side is right back here behind me. Right back there, and do laundry. Like 6 washers and 8 dryers. 2 loads for $6.50, pretty good deal. And so we're going to get ready to finish up and then head into Panguitch to get our groceries and dog treats. Because then it only has milk bones left. We're here next door and saw this booth here and said, "What is this?" "Oh, it's a bakery thing." See what they got. Rosemary garlic, $12 classics. Looks like sourdough. Oh, yeah, it's good sourdough. Sourdough, and some jams. I have to buy me some sourdough. I can see if I got $10 on me. Is it worth it? I bet it will be. There's your pay here, and there's a QR code. Scan to pay that way. I'll have to go back to the bus and get some cash. I don't have enough. I got like $4. So I'll go get some more dollars, and we'll go buy us a loaf of bread. That is really soft. I already checked it. Usually sourdough is hard as a rock, but this is pretty good. I'm going to buy me one of those. I can't resist. Well, now we're ready to get back on the road, get to Panguitch, get our groceries, but I did get some bread. Looks pretty good. There's only thing in it, that's what I like. Water, sourdough, salt, and flour. And look, soft. Usually sourdough, from what I got before, sometimes it's like this. But that is going to be good eating. I'll serve some of that with some spaghetti and some butter and some garlic on it. Woo! Talking about a good meal. There's my mass of wires. Oh my gosh. I have too much stuff in here and a dog. So just met a nice young lady from Arkansas. Got the coffee shop here. We're sitting here and I said, "Arkansas, I got to go say hi." And so she was close to, from a lot of places my family's from. So we had a nice chat. And she went down and bought bread with us. And the bread is actually down at the neighbor's house in that little booth right there. Of course, you can't see through my old dirty windows. Let's open up so you can see a little better. There it is. That little kiosk right there. That's usually where I park at. So this time I decided to park on the side. But I didn't know they had bread. I'll have to keep looking for it next time I'm up here. Well, let's get grocery shopping. Off we go. We got to drop something off at the post office here in Hatch. Yep, my foot is floored. Come on, Bess. I think we're... Big sign that says sourdough bread. I got to pull over. I'm smoking up the whole town of Hatch. There we go. Goodness gracious. Sorry, Hatch. Didn't mean to smoke you out. Here's the post office anyway. I can drop off this. Oh! Goodness. All right, go drop off this piece of mail into the box and good to go. All right, just stopped off at Hatch, and I think I'm gonna have my mail start to be sent here because nice lady in there, post office lady, I guess postmaster, she gave me some information on sending things. So we'll have it sent here. It's just a half a block away from the coffee shop. Good. And there's a sheriff there, and I'm smoking up the whole town, so we'll see what happens. There we go, now we're taking off. It's a good thing I used my turn signal coming off the road. All right, off to Panguitch. Up here is the road to Bryce Canyon. I got some friends up there that way, but I think we'll have to bypass today. We got to get back towards camp. I saw a wood guy heading that way, so maybe he'll bring me some firewood. Yep, this is Bryce Canyon. We got to slow down into the speed limit. That's the road, and maybe, like I said, maybe we'll get there after the season's over with and I get walled and checked out so I can at least get it restarted and drive it. Runs like a scalded dog on the highway, but just doesn't want to start, doesn't want to get going. Well, we get some groceries, we'll get back up the mountain pretty soon. Oh, coming into the city of Panguitch. Nice town. I mean, like nice scenery and mountains around and everything. Little farming area. Starting slowing it down. Oh, we're getting sprayed on by the water. Ah. There we go. We got sprayed on by the sprinkler in the field. Messed up the camera vision. So we're gonna slow down here and find us some lunch. That's what I do when I come to Panguitch. This is my time to experiment, to eat out. And we usually stop right up here and it says C Stop Pizza, because another one of these towns that is easy to park at. Look at the big opening on the side. You can park your truck in front of the building and your trailer. We're gonna park down here. Hope they're still open. We'll find out in a minute, won't we? Get past the driveway and park it. And I'll leave it running because I didn't want to start one again. So, and I'm going to go in and see if the pizza's, if I can order one. Well, here we are. I got a pizza ordered. 15 minutes. So we'll see what happens. Leaving the bus running and look at my laundry. It looks like a laundromat in here. It wasn't quite dry. I didn't want to put another $1 in there in another 45 minutes, so this is my version of hang it dry and see her in the bus. And we'll get out in a minute when we go get the pizza, okay? Zen's all panicking. What? You just got out 10 miles back and you were there for an hour and a half. What's your panic to now? Let me show you. There he is. And we're in Panguitch. Like I said, got to leave the bus running because they won't have a chance to cool off to restart in the 15 minutes. Waiting for a pizza. Man, I got to get this thing fixed because that's my issue. If I go anywhere, I can't just turn the engine off and jump back in and go. But when I get to the dollar store, it's where I shop at here, you'll be there for about 45 minutes to an hour. So the bus will cool down and have plenty of time to restart. But we got to get back because, like I said, we got pizza ordered and I got my live this afternoon on Tuesday, so I've got to get back for that. and that's kind of like I'm in a hurry to get back there. I'm going to be cutting it close, so we got to rush back after we grab our groceries and get back to see you guys upon the live. Well, here's the pizza. Let's see it. Woo, look at there. That's my treat. Mine is Zen's treat. Every time I come to Panguitch, I pick up a pizza because it's good for lunch today, dinner tonight, and some tomorrow. So with that, we'll say thanks everybody for watching. We're going to go have some pizza and then head back to the campground. See you on the next one.